How to create Microsoft Teams account on your PC or laptop. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to create a Microsoft Teams account easily and instantly on your Windows PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. In order to start, you need to open your web browser and then go to official Microsoft Teams website. And then once you're on your website, click on the sign up for free button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you can create one by clicking on create one. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-up process. After signing up, you will need to set up your profile, fill in your name and choose a password. Make sure to verify your email address to activate your account. Once that's done, you can log into Microsoft Teams. Now that you're logged in, take a moment to explore the interface. And that's it, you have successfully created your Microsoft Teams account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.